Magandang hapon po ng July 30, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 30, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mambasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, July 30, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasang para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 30, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, July 30, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 30, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.